Hi everyone, today we are going to show you how to fix the black screen issue in the OBS Studio application. So as you see, this is the black screen issue you will find in the OBS Studio. So most of the people who are having a dedicated graphic card in your laptop or desktop computer will face this issue. To fix this problem, you need to select the onboard graphic card settings. So to do that, you need to go to start and search for graphic settings. Then you need to browse here and select the OBS application from the program files. You need to go to program files, see here program files, then you need to go to OBS Studio, bin 64-bit and the 64-bit application. Okay, then you need to go to options and you have to select power saving option here. You can find Intel USD graphics. So if you select the GPU, like your dedicated GPU, it won't help to fix this issue. Now after you select the power saving option here, then you have to save it. After that, you can close this one and you can open it again. See, now it has been fixed. So okay guys, this is an easy way to fix this issue. So if you like this, if you like our video, and if you think this will help you or your friends, please share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay guys, have a nice day, and we'll be back with another video very soon.